Today, we will talk about how to start a catering business from home. Let's have a look at the details. If you have a passion for feeding people, starting your own catering business from home might seem like a pipe dream. However, it's totally doable. With one small catch: you may not actually be cooking in your own kitchen. Since the laws in most places prohibit caterers from operating out of a private residence, chances are you'll need to find a commercial kitchen where you can actually prepare your food. You can then use your home as your headquarters to handle the business end of things, including advertising, order taking, and bookkeeping. The first method is obtaining the necessary credentials. Apply for a business license if your state or territory requires it. Research the laws related to food service in the area where you live to find out whether you'll need a business license to get your catering business off the ground. If so, fill out the necessary paperwork to register your business as a limited liability corporation, LLC, with yourself as the sole proprietor. You'll be prompted to provide a name for your business, list an address for your physical headquarters, in this case, your home address, and appoint yourself or someone you trust as the registered agent for the LLC. Purchase food liability insurance. If you live in the US, visit the Food Liability Insurance Program, FLIP, website to learn more about food liability insurance. When you're ready, you can purchase a policy online and download your digital proof of insurance directly to your device. Catering plans start at around $300 per year and will cover you for up to $2 million in potential damages. Get a liquor license if you plan on serving alcohol. Contact your local Alcoholic Beverage Commission (ABC) office to request an application for a professional liquor license. Once you've submitted your application, it may take 30 days or more for you to be granted your license. Now, the second method is getting set up. Rent out a commercial kitchen to store and prepare your food. Most cities have at least 1 or 2 spaces available to caterers and other food service professionals operating without a fixed location. Rates vary, but many kitchens will give you the option of renting by the month, week, day, or hour, which means you can reserve space only when you need it. Be prepared to upgrade your kitchen if you plan on cooking from home. If you're set on working out of your own kitchen rather than renting a commercial space, it's important to be certain that you have all the necessary tools at your disposal prior to taking on your first gig. In some cases, this may require you to buy new equipment that can handle the increased output. Hire staff to assist you with your many duties. A lot more goes into running a catering business than just churning out food. No matter how intimate the events you cater are, you'll eventually have to have at least a few helpers to see to things like serving, bartending, cleaning, and transportation. Make sure you have a reliable means of transportation. All those hours you spend sweating over a hot stove will be for nothing if you have no way of getting your food to your event venue. When the time comes, you'll need a vehicle that should run well, look at least moderately professional, and be big enough to hold all the food you'll be hauling in a single trip. Take care of administrative tasks from your home office. You'll be using a laptop and a cell phone for nearly every part of your job, from communicating with clients and booking events to updating your financial records. Because of this, it will also pay to have a strong internet connection or a good data plan. The third method is making your business a success. Find your niche. The key to running a thriving catering business is to know where you fit in the industry. This may mean restricting yourself to smaller events like cocktail parties and family reunions if you're working with limited resources, or it could mean taking on large-scale events like weddings, banquets, and corporate soirees if you have a dedicated staff and lots of experience. Put together a menu that you can prepare consistently under time constraints. Stick with what you know, whether it's fine French cuisine, southern staples, or simpler fare like barbecue. It's better to be able to make a few things exceptionally well than to make lots of things poorly. Create a website to advertise your services and book events. Your website should include an email address and phone number where interested parties can get in touch with you, sample menus, client testimonials, and photos from events you've catered to in the past, which will also go a long way in getting your visitors' attention. Advertise your business on social media. In addition to your website, take to Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to spread the word about your catering company far and wide. Post about your availability for upcoming events, show off tantalizing pictures of your food, and encourage your followers to share their experiences, and leave a review or star rating to make your page more visible. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.